Hey, how's it going? And today I thought it'd be fun to do something fun, and so I'm just going to go into games, and this is going to be a blank project. We don't need starter content, and I'm just going to go create. So I can call this Hyperspeed or Super Speed, but it's real quick, it's real fun. I had a kick out of doing this. So okay, so we're in the blank project you just saw, and we're going to go to add. This just takes a second to do. And we're going to go add third person content. We have to do it this way or otherwise we can't have this character in this world. I think this is good start. All we have to do, there's just two things we have to do. We just have to click on here, go in here. I'll just go ahead and dock this up here. Click on third person character, and we're just going to search for speed. And this is our character speed. And we're going to go crazy. We're going to jump it up to, I don't know, let's do 10,000. And we'll compile and save. And then the other thing we have to do, or the game won't work at all, is we have to go into world settings, and under game mode, we have to set it to the BP third person. And now this is what happens. We go play. Falling from the sky. It's pretty cool. Now watch this. As I take off running. Going a little faster than usual. Look at that jump. Now here's the cool part. Yeah, he's been working out a lot. So look, it's how, now watch this. I'm going to stop and look. Actually still sliding kind of. Anyway, it's just kind of fun. You know, if you're having a bad day, and yeah, it's just kind of fun to see him flying through the land like this. So stop. I just let off the W there. Look at that. And that's it. That's all I had for today. So take care. Have a great day. And I'll talk to you next time.